Welcome to my crib.
Your crib? What do you live in this thing? Whoa! Okay. Demonetized? Jeez.
It does that. It's really dirty. Ignore it.
Man trans.
Don't look at it.
Man trans. Woo!
You practically do live in here since I see you so much.
True. True. Alright, what's up everybody? Get the seatbelt on. Welcome back to the channel. So this is a review of a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta quad turbo TH400 trans. As you could see, it's not a 5-speed anymore. It's just a 3-speed. No, we swapped it. This is a quad turbo V12, so I mean it gets pretty crazy out there. Just kidding. So another video for the Mustang today. Kennedy, my girlfriend, is spray painting the Mustang, but with none other than Plasti Dip. Look at the quality of the backup camera. It's pretty nice, actually. It's a lot larger than the Mustang.
You can see the Mustang.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Where's the Mustang? There it is. Alright guys, so she is going to be spray painting the Mustang with, I actually don't think we're going to use Plasti Dip. We're going to use the Duplicolor one I have, but they're all pretty similar. I mean, everyone's got their preference, but they're all kind of the same thing. They're a sprayable vinyl, essentially, that can peel off. You know, Plasti Dip is obviously like the original one, so everyone's kind of copied them after that, and there's ones that are better than Plasti Dip, ones that are worse, but I already have a black gloss can of the Duplicolor one at home, so we're just running to Home Depot to get some masking tape and some plastic sheets so that we can cover up the Mustang. So we're going to take care of the side 5.0 badges, the front Mustang badge, and then the back GT badge. Although I really want to buy the back piece. I forget what it's called, like the, I don't remember, it's like the deck lid or something like that, but it's got the GT badge on it, and you can buy them with them removed. You can buy them in carbon fiber. So I think I'm going to buy that piece eventually, but for now we'll at least black out the chrome, and Kennedy's about to hit this dip so hard. Oh my gosh. Oh, like a roller coaster. This thing takes jumps like a raptor. Oh! So we're at the good old Home Depot. Like I said, we're gonna pick up some plastic sheet and some tape, and then we'll see you guys back at the house. Ooh, show them how you bang gears, babe.
Hold on, there's a stop.
Ah, shoot. Denied. She's about to give us the sauce in the Jetta.
Wait for it to turn green.
Even the AC's on, so we're down on power right now.
It's hot.
Oh no.
It's about to turn green.
Is it?
Yeah, I feel it.
I can't see it. Sun's blocking it. Any day now. Still waiting.
The anticipation. Alright.
Don't red light.
Oh shit, she's slowing down.
Uh-oh. That means we're ready. Oh shit. Okay, there's a turn. Ah! What are you doing? She's crazy. Oh my gosh.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
So we got some blue masking tape, Kennedy's cell phone, some Flexi Dip. This is actually Rust-Oleum. I thought I had the brand from O'Reilly's, which is Duplicolor, but we got some Flexi Dip, and we actually have some gloss top coat, that way it doesn't look so flat and chalky. And then we just got some plastic drop cloth to tape off. So we are going to start taping off all the badges. What we're gonna do, the front will be a little different because we'll have to build some tape around this. But the rest of them, like the 5.0, we'll just create a square around this, and then what we'll do is we'll peel the Plasti Dip up around the square, and we'll do the same thing on the back GT badge. So let's get to taping.
I found a dream that I can speak.
how we've got it taped off. You don't have to be too perfect because this stuff does peel off. It just, any overspray, you gotta remember you gotta be the one to peel it off, which is a pain in the ass. You wanna tape off as much as you can. So now we're gonna lay over some plastic to cover the large spots because we don't want to be picking a bunch of overspray off. So we'll do that now. So we already cleaned off the badge, so Kennedy's just gonna go real light on it. Obviously you guys have probably seen videos on this before, but you wanna go real light on it, just long passes back and forth. Pretty much just like any spray painting. And then as we go through the coats, we'll really layer it up. But we're trying to create a layer for everything to stick to. So that's probably pretty good. For the first layer, so you can see it lays down real splotchy. And then as the coats kind of build up, it'll adhere better, and then they'll start to smoothen out. She already knew what to do. She built a big square so that you have plastic dip to peel up around the badge, and then it'll kind of cut itself around the badge. So we'll do like another layer around, and then we'll attach some plastic to it. Alright guys, so the front one is pretty much done. You can see it's still drying in a couple spots. So now we're gonna hit it with, once it's completely dry, we will hit it with, come on, focus. There we go. Some Rust-Oleum Flexi Dip Gloss top coat. So this will make it a little bit shinier, a little glossier, and not as, give it that chalky, flat look anymore. So we're gonna let that one dry. Kennedy's working on, I think this is coat 4 on this one. Coat 4 on that one. I think we're on coat 3 on this side. Coat 3, and we're gonna tape this plastic back. This is flying into there. So we'll tape that plastic back. Just kind of windy out today. And she's got her first coat, so you can see how light she does it. So gotta make that layer so that it can adhere to it, and then we'll layer up the rest of the coats. Alright, so there's the front badge done. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Good job, Kennedy. And she's working on taking all the plastic off on this side. And then pretty much what we'll do is we'll pick at the Plasti Dip once it's completely dry and be able to peel it around. So same thing on this side. Just gotta pull the tape here. So you can see the tape already wants to pull it up. Now you've got a nice clean square around the badge, and then we'll simply just pick at it and pull this stuff up once it's a little more dry. Alright, so there's the side badges. We gotta take like a toothpick and just kind of pick in between there to get them a little bit cleaner, but they don't look that bad. And then you could even peel it right there to get the red back, which I think is kind of cool. And so We've got the back. Now we've just got to peel around it. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, you just got to peel around them. You can see I've still got to peel around it just to get the lines nice and clean. But Kennedy did a really good job spraying these. I think it looks awesome. Changes the whole look of it. So just those simple touches change the whole look of the car. Anytime you delete chrome, I think it takes the car to a different level, and it's a really cheap and easy mod, and so we really need those to be changed right there. Those are ugly. Thoughts, Kennedy?
It takes forever.
No, it doesn't. It's only been like not even an hour, barely an hour.
It's been an hour.
It's been an hour. So it makes a huge difference, but that's gonna do it for today's video. Kennedy did an awesome job on spray painting these with some Flexi Dip. This is the top coat. We ran out of the black already. You wanna close it out?
Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VMV39 and Kennedy McCall. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
Oh my